Imagine that you run a shoe company. You just launched a highly anticipated new sneaker. Within 24 hours, you have 50,000 reviews pouring in from all over the internet. Your team is staring at a mountain of text. If there is a problem, say the soles are peeling off, you need to know right now, not weeks from now when someone finally finishes reading the last page. This is where Amazon Comprehend comes in. It is a tool that acts like an incredibly fast reader, capable of scanning and understanding millions of words in seconds. You don't need a background in computer science to use it. It turns the struggle of reading every single review into an automated process that runs entirely in the cloud. Think of Amazon Comprehend as a digital detective. You hand it a stack of messy, unorganized text, and it immediately starts scanning for specific patterns. First, sentiment analysis decides if the customer sounds happy or frustrated, dropping the review into the right bucket. Next, entity recognition plucks out specific names, like Nike. Then, key phrase extraction isolates exact points, like broken sole, revealing the trend immediately. It also protects privacy. If someone accidentally types their phone number or a private ID number into a public review, the system detects it and can automatically hide it. Working together, these tools take thousands of emotional, messy paragraphs and turn them into clear information your business can use. Let's look at how that information actually travels through the cloud to get to your desk. This shows the typical pipeline. First, those raw customer reviews are collected and placed into a secure digital storage bucket called Amazon S3. From there, the data flows into Amazon Comprehend. This acts as the brain, reading through every sentence to find the details we need. Once it finishes, it produces a file called a JSON. Think of this as a digital manifest that lists everything the AI spotted: the moods, the locations, and the specific phrases. Finally, that list is sent to a tool like Amazon QuickSight, which takes those lists and turns them into visual charts that are easy for your team to understand. Because this runs automatically, a critical complaint about a product can move from a customer's phone to a manager's dashboard in a matter of seconds. You don't have to build a whole system to see this in action. You can try a test run right now. Just log into your AWS account and type Comprehend into the search bar. On the main page, you'll find a button for a real-time analysis. This is a built-in sandbox to test the AI without writing any code. You simply paste a review into the input box, like our example about the broken sole. When you hit Analyze, the results appear instantly. The system shows your text with colorful tags, letting you see exactly how confident the AI is about the moods and names it found. It really is that simple. You get deep, actionable insights into your text just by clicking a few buttons. Before you start your first project, there are 2 important things you should know about how this is built. Amazon charges you for every 100 characters of text it reads. However, they have a minimum charge of 300 characters per request. If you send thousands of very short, one-word reviews, you'll still be charged for 300 characters every time, which can add up quickly. The second trap involves custom models. To use them, you turn on a digital analysis window called an endpoint. This is like a light you leave on. You're charged for every second it's active. If you forget to turn it off over the weekend, you're paying for it even when it's not doing any work. One more tip. If your feedback is in a scanned image or a PDF, use a tool called Amazon TextTract first. It reads the image and turns it into text that Comprehend can understand. Knowing how the billing works is just as important as knowing how the AI works to make your project a success. Let's see how much you remember with a quick check-in. Question 1. Do you need to build your own AI models from scratch to use this? No, because Amazon handles the heavy lifting and the server setup for you. Question 2. Which tool do you use to see if a customer is happy or angry? The tool for that is sentiment analysis. Question 3. What is the most common cause of a surprise bill? Leaving an analysis endpoint running when you aren't using it. You've got the basics down. Now you're ready to start using Amazon Comprehend for your own projects. Happy building!